Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel, Anne's Aesthetics, where hopefully I can bring you a little bit of peace, happiness, and trippiness through fun painting tutorials for beginners today. We are going to be doing a super sunny, trippy, fun mushroom painting. I've done a few mushroom tutorials, so be sure to check the other ones out as well. I'm going to be starting with tracing a sun for the background of our mushroom painting. For today's inspiration, we are using this photo, which can be found on my Pinterest that is linked in the bio description below. Go to that Pinterest, find the board Art and Drawings, and you will find this inspiration photo under that board. Here I'm taking the color turquoise and a very angled flat brush, and I am outlining the sky part of the background. Also taking into account where the mushroom is going to be at and where the sun rays are. I have quite a few other tutorials, so be sure to check those out as well. Please like this video, give it a comment, maybe even share it with a friend, but please also don't forget to subscribe. Join the Aesthetics crew, where we are building a community of just a vibe where people don't want to deal with trauma, they don't want to deal with grumps. You know what I'm talking about. You just want a place where you can and that's what I'm trying to do. So if you want that too, subscribe and continue watching this video. A closer look at our inspiration photo for today. For the sun, I'm going to be using the shade King's Gold, and I'm going to be taking a very small rectangular shaped brush again and just filling in the portions that I had outlined. This is why I really do enjoy the outlining method prior to actually painting, drawing it out. It makes it very easy to color block and just kind of fill in, you know, like if you did the numbers, I could fill in some numbers and then create a key, but you know, so much work. Wanted to use a lighter yellow for the inside of the mushroom, so I use the shade Yellow Flame to draw the inside of each mushroom. For the actual mushrooms themselves, they are going to be Outrageous Orange shade. I cleaned the brush and I'm using the same brush as I did for the sun. While we're waiting for that to dry, I'm going to be taking the shade Limeade, and I'm going to be using a skinny brush to take that paint and flick in an upward motion in order to create brush strokes that resemble grass. Since I know the stem of this mushroom is going to cover this area, I am just kind of filling in right under with green and then kind of blending out on the outer edges where I know it'll be more seen and noticeable. I wanted to use bright white for the dots and the stem because I really thought it would pop with the other colors. So that is what I'm doing, and then I'm going in right after I do those for the stems. I love how colorful this painting is, honestly. I think I did a good job with the color choices for this one. Last one's kind of on an angle, so I'm kind of just tilting everything just like how the mushroom is, and then I'm taking a black acrylic marker, or you can take black acrylic paint if you don't have one of these. Do not use like a Sharpie or something, it will not work. Trust me, been there, tried that, done that, ruined it, yep. Anyways, we're outlining the stems, we're doing the mushroom tops, and then you can choose to also outline the little white dots, but I don't like doing that. I feel like sometimes it adds too much outlining, so that's why I only do some parts and not the others. And you will also see that with the grass in the inspiration photo. The grass was outlined, but I'm not going to outline the grass because I feel like it looks... I just like the look better, personally. Both look great. Purposely want to make these lines not straight. They need to be wavy, in case you were wondering. After we finish outlining, you're going to apply some Mod Podge. I used a glossy kind, and don't forget to also sign your canvas. But other than that, this painting is pretty much concluding. But bam, there she is. There she is. Look at that painting. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and you have a really happy, good rest of your day. Peace out. Bye-bye.